Well, on this day, January 21st, 2025, it is actually snowing here in Florida. I honestly never thought I would see this ever. It is legit snowing out here. I don't believe this, man. It's like I just walked into Frozen or something. It really is snowing, dude. This truly is amazing, once in a lifetime. Winter Wonderland. Wow.
Make sure you cover up.
What do you think I'm doing?
Isn't this something?
I never thought I would ever see this.
From the looks of it, it's going to be pretty thick.
Looks like it.
We get on top of the house. Get on top of the house.
Yeah. Like, wow. This is wild. Look at all this. Snow in Florida. Wow. You should have bought your car in.
Yeah. That's your turn. Can't you do that?
Well, you should have said something.
Okay, I tell you.
Yeah. Remember that. Look at all that. The snow.